Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing a new subscription bag that has been introduced to the Indian market, and the name of the bag is Zo Bag and it is by a company Zotato. I loved how the box says smiles inside, and the size of the box is so big, you guys. It is like 4 times the usual boxes I get. So let me quickly open and show how it is. When I open the box, I see this placard which says hashtag Zobag and hashtag be your own queen. If you're buying this box, then you can give your own reason why you feel you're your own queen and share it on your social media. This is a campaign the Zobag is running as hashtag be your own queen. And this is how the bag looks like. It looks so pretty. But before I go into the contents, let me tell you a few things about the Zo bag. This is basically a beauty subscription bag which will have 5 to 6 curated products which are related to skin or hair every month. And one of the best things about this bag is it is quite affordable. It has all full-size products. Still the cost of the bag is 499 rupees per month. And I'm talking about this full Zo bag. They have a mini version as well, which will contain 4 products out of these 6 which I have got in this bag, and I'll tell you which 4. And that mini Zo bag costs just 199 rupees per month, which is awesome. I can clearly say it's a very affordable bag. The theme of this month is head to toe paraben free. That means all the products inside this bag are all natural and chemical free products. So that is a very big plus point. I am all into natural products nowadays. I hate putting chemicals on my face or my body. So let's quickly get into the unboxing. There's a very cute note from Zotato which says be your own queen, and there is a bigger note. So this has all the product details which we'll be going through one by one. But first let me appreciate this packaging. The packaging is so nice. I totally love the way they have handcrafted the entire bag. I think I can totally repurpose this packaging. So this is how the bag looks like. It is made up of jute and it has a golden tassel over here, which is really cute, and it says be your own queen, and at the bag it says Zotato Zo bag. And the size of this bag is really big. I can carry a lot of stuff inside this. I need not carry 2 pouches. All my skincare and makeup can fit into this one bag. And jute gives me that feeling of being natural and core to earth. So let me open and show you what's all inside. So the bag is full of products. Let me take out all the products and I'll show you guys one by one. The first product in this bag is by Veda Essence, and it's the Avocado Peppermint Tea Tree Vitamin E Soap. This is 100% natural and vegan handmade cold processed soap. And this is 100% chemical free, paraben free and cruelty free. It's a 125 gram product and the cost of this is 210 rupees. As you can see in the ingredients list, it has olive oil, coconut oil, palm and avocado oil, avocado extract, cocoa butter, vitamin E, tea tree and peppermint essential oil. So lots of good oils for your skin. So this is not something that will make your skin feel dry, and it will not be like any other soap. It will make your skin soft and supple, and it has a lot of healing properties as well. As per the contents, we know that avocado is very moisturizing, tea tree is good for acne. So if you see the benefits, there are a lot of benefits written over here. So I'm really happy to receive this product, and the fragrance is very refreshing. It has that peppermint fragrance which is very nice.
So that's the first product. The second product has come bubble wrapped.
So this is by Ayurveda 100% organic Moroccan argan hair serum. This is for all hair types, and this does not have any silicones. It has lots of benefits, as you can see right over here. and this is again a paraben free product. So it has 50 ml of product and the cost of this product is 600 rupees. So this is how the serum looks like. It has a pump which is good. So this is like a treatment for all types of hair problems. What you need to do is you need to take like 1 or 2 pumps of this and apply it to shampoo damp hair. Don't take more than 2 pumps because we don't want to apply oil to washed hair again. So depending on your hair length, 1 or 2 pumps should be more than enough. The key ingredients in this product are natural argan oil, vitamin E, omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids. So after you shampoo your hair, it helps in detangling your hair. It is non-sticky and it doesn't make your hair feel very oily if you apply the right quantity, but it helps in controlling the frizz and it helps in preventing hair loss and split ends as well. So it is a very good serum. I've already used a bottle of this which I got earlier, so I was happy with this product, so I'm really happy to receive it again. The third product in this month's bag is by McAfee, and this is a Smooth Jazz Caffeine Body Butter with lanolin wax and vitamin E. This is a 50 ml product for 399 rupees. And it has a lot of good ingredients like lots of vitamins which gives a glow to your skin. It has glycerin and lanolin. Both of these are very good moisturizers, make your skin very soft and supple. So basically this is a caffeine infused body butter and smells so divine. I could just eat this. Let me apply a bit and see. It's a very light textured moisturizer. It doesn't make my skin oily, so I feel it's very good for the summer season especially. Then the next product is by Banjaras, and this is a hair care powder hibiscus. I don't know how many of you know the benefits of hibiscus, but in Oriya we call it Mandaro Fulo, and it's called as Godhal in Hindi. As it is written, it is a very good remedy for hair fall and graying, but along with that it is a very good conditioner and makes your hair soft and shiny. It might not be known to many of the people, but it is really good for hair growth as well. It strengthens your hair, thickens it and gives it volume by making it bouncy. And so this is a very good product. I would recommend all of you to try this out. This is a very inexpensive product, a very affordable brand. This is a 100% natural product and this is a 100 gram product worth 90 rupees.
Even the brand Banjaras is a very good natural brand. As you can see, it has lots of sachets. So you can just take out one sachet and use it for one time. So this has 5 sachets. So that was the 4th product in our bag. Moving on to the 5th product.
Next we have another product from the same brand Banjaras, and this is a tan free face wash which has multani plus orange, and what better to have in summers than a tan free face wash which removes your tan. As evident from the name, it has multani mitti, that is fuller's earth, and the orange peel powder, and this is basically a soap free face wash. So I am really excited to try out this product because soap is really not good for your skin. So soap free face wash is definitely my way to go. But don't feel that because it does not have soap it will leave your skin oily, because it will remove the excess oil because it has multani mitti. And this is also good for preventing acne or pimples. So this is a very good product. I am very happy to receive this. Then the last product is by OGX. This is niacin and caffeine shampoo and conditioner, and these are 2 sample size sachets. These are 7.4 ml each. The full size product of 385 ml costs rupees 725. So this is a good expensive brand. This shampoo claims to combat hair fall and gives you smooth and shiny hair, and it makes your hair more manageable. I cannot say about controlling hair fall. but I have used a sachet like this before, and it did make my hair very smooth and silky, and I think by using it regularly it will definitely make your hair fall less, because it didn't make my hair frizzy or it was very soft and maintained. And maybe I'll try out the full sized ones and then only I can give my verdict on this product. But it was a good one-time usage, and it is very travel friendly to carry with you if you're going out. So these are all the products inside my Zo bag worth 499 rupees. But if you go for the mini Zo bag, you'll be getting 4 products, that are the 2 Banjara products, the McAfee body butter, and the shampoo and conditioner samples. You pay rupees 20 extra for gift packaging of the entire box, so it is very good if you want to give it to your mom, because it has a hibiscus powder also, which is very good for hair growing, let me tell you. So it's a very good affordable box as per me. I am happy that they have given all the paraben free and all natural products, and I'm really impressed with the packaging, the size of the box. I'm really happy and impressed with the Zo bag. Now coming to the giveaway part. This giveaway will run for 30 days, and I'll be announcing one winner who will be getting a goodie bag from Zo bag, which will be consisting of products from these brands. All you have to do is write in the comment section below how a good skincare or makeup makes you feel like your own queen, and you can hashtag be your own queen, because that's the campaign they are running, so I want to support that. You also need to share this video or the post, my Instagram or Facebook post, on that social media, and while you share that you need to tag me, Zotato, and 3 of your friends. So that's all you need to do for the giveaway. Extra efforts will definitely be appreciated. I'll give all the rules and details of the giveaway in the description box below, so please check that out as well. So that's all in today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know your comments down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.